Audio Jungle.
Hello guys, in this video we are going to see Father's Day Walmart deals. So this is a Chain Pro Max hip hop necklace. This is bold 10mm stainless chain for Father's Day necklace. So guys, this is available in different sizes. You can select the size accordingly, and this is also available in black, gold and silver color. And the best part is its price. Before this was for $42.79, but now this is available only in $24.89, and you are saving huge $17.90. So guys, this is a fine time men's military watch. This is a outdoor sports watch. This is electronic watch, and you can see in this watch there is a stopwatch, and this is a waterproof digital analog watch. And this watch is also available in different colors: black, blue, gold, green and silver color. And the best part is its price. Before this was $27.99, but now this is available in $19.99, and you are saving flat $8. This is a car cleaning kit. This is also available in Father's Day deal. So this is Armor All Car Cleaning Kit for car detailing. This is a 8-piece set. You can see this is a 8-piece set, and the best part is its price. Before this was $30.97, but now it's available only in $19.97, and you are saving flat $11 on this. Now the next is Brookstone large hanging trolley cosmetic organizer bag for travel. You can use this cosmetic bag for traveling wherever you are traveling, so you can carry this bag with you. And you can see this is the product you can carry in this bag, and this is available in black color, and there is only color. The best part is its price. This before this was $19.73, but now this is available in $14.99, and you are saving flat $4.74. So guys, keep hurry to buy this from Father's Day deal. This is a Sagami Man linen shirt. This is a short sleeve shirt and with Havelian buttons. This is a down shirt with pocket. Guys, there is a pocket in this shirt. And you can see this shirt is available in many colors: creamy white, black, burgundy, grayish blue, khaki one, and you can see this is orange, and there is a navy blue, there is a sky blue. So this is available in different colors, and the best part is its price. Before this was $25.99, but now this is available in $14.98, and you are saving flat $11.01. So guys,